TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's Monday. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as we're looking for a slightly positive open currently. Looking at Dow futures up 23 points, trading at 23,472. NASDAQ futures up 3 points, trading at 6293.50. And S&P futures currently flat, 2582.75. Let's jump over to the VIX. We'll see as we've gotten a little bit of a spike in markets this morning. There's a little bit of turmoil. And, of course, you have Saudi Arabia going on with a crackdown, whether it's a grab of power, whether it's a corruption crackdown. Lots going on over there. And, excuse me, you had New York Fed Chair Dudley saying he's going to step down in 2018. He is going to be speaking at noon, just a talk that was already scheduled. Be interesting to see what he has to say. Market right now, slightly positive. VIX trading 967. Still relatively low, but far off the 899 that we had at the close of last week. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets ahead of the opening bell. Here's our S&P 500. It's currently trading 2583, looking at the December contract. NASDAQ 100, currently trading 62.95, was as low as about 62.85 just as about 6 a.m. this morning. Euro US dollar, euro weakening a little bit this morning as we're seeing a little bit of dollar strength. Euro currently trading 115.85. Crude oil, so of course that's a market that will be affected about what's going on in Saudi Arabia with the corruption crackdown. Bunch of princes being arrested and they're under confinement at the Ritz over in Saudi Arabia. We'll break down that story, of course, throughout the day. But crude oil currently trading 55.92, and there's quite a spike that might have to do something with that Saudi Arabia spiking above 56.20 overnight. Gold currently trading 1271.58, and natural gas 306.78. Other news you have fundamentally, you have Broadcom coming out and they're making an unsolicited bid for Qualcomm in a largest tech deal in history. We'll pull up QCOM. And it looks like it's going to be about $70 that they're coming in. And you see the spike that they had Friday, maybe with news breaking, but still trading higher. Looking at Qualcomm trading 64.46 currently. We'll see how that shakes out. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pesamento coming up right now with Trade What You See. And of course, I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom and swim lessons. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien wraps things up. Great day programming at TFNN. Have a great day, everybody.